So now let's go ahead and edit our WordPress site. So let's go to the home page and click on edit with WP page builder. But before that, there are certain settings that we will do it. We were seeing the comments, recent comments and the recent post on the sidebar, right? So we will not put that onto the sidebar part. So can you see the customize setting here? So disable title and the customizer settings. So disable primary header, no sidebar. All right, so once you update it, the page will not, you will not see this home in the website. So let's click and check our website. So now you cannot see the home here, but you are on the home page itself. Now you got the clarity, and also now it is looking much more professional where there is no sidebar. All right, so that will be taken. Now let's go ahead and edit this page with our WP page builder. So let's click on edit with WP page builder. Now let's add a few images and try and edit it. Now you would have seen that we have downloaded the layout that is available for the spa business. Let's edit it. You can always go down here and you will see add row. Now click on add row. See, this is for the editing purpose. If you want to keep the same theme and the layout, you can keep it. Add row. I'm just showing it to you how to add the row. Click on add row here, 1. Now I want to insert some text. Now if you want to insert some text, go down, scroll down, you can see this text block here. Now this is the text that you can go ahead and edit it. Now this is the default text that is been written. So you can just write about yourself that we are in the business of beauty and spa from last 15 years. We are bringing see, whatever you, if you feel that, if you want to go ahead and write about yourself, we are launching our new stores every 15 days in all the cities of India. So once it is done, yes, now you need to go ahead and save it. So once you save it, then you can see that this will be applicable in your website. Now if you want to change the settings, like you want to keep it in the middle, you can keep it. So let's click here. So now this is how it looks like. We call it as a drop cap. Now if you want to insert a link, you can insert a link. Insert a link is your website, right? You can insert a link with regards to the contact us. If somebody wants to go ahead and click it, they'll be taken to the contact us page. So but right now I'm putting the same link here and then entering it. So the link has been pasted. Now once you click it, then automatically you will be taken to the home page of it. Now I do not want to do any changes, so I'll just take out that link. Alright, now this is how you will add the text. You have saved it, right? Now if you want to move up, you can take this up. Now it will move up here. See, this one has come down. Now if you still wanted to move this up, you can move it up. You can move it up till the time that you feel this is apt for your business. If you want to see this on the top, you can keep it. And yeah, this is how it is. If you see that you wanted to change this particular in the picture, if you want to change this text, you can always do that. Now let me show you how to add a image. Let's go here. Now you wanted to add an image, click on one point here. Now go to the add-ons. Let's go back here. Can you see here? This is image hover. You can just drag in here. Now you can write a subtitle as well. Let's write a title. It is written it as feature box, our services. I'm just giving you an example. You can edit it, add the subtitle is this one, explore our new services at our Banjara Hills branch. So this is simple example that I'm trying to quote. Now you can also include a button here. Where is that button? So general subtitle button, yeah. Enable this button. Now click here, then you will see that learn more or book appointment. You can link your contact page to this particular button. Book your slot or know more, whatever, learn more. So whatever you feel, you can go ahead and do that. Now you click on the background. Now you want to change the image, right? So click on this and change the image. If you remember that we have downloaded few images, right? So I'll do this. I'll try and drop down. I'll try and if I have any pictures in the library, I'll try and upload those pictures. If I do not have, I'll try and get it from my personal PC or from a library of the computer. So I have saved this on the desktop, if you remember. So let me check where exactly that I have stored it. So I am not able to find that path. Yeah, this one. So this gets uploaded, and please remember to type in your details about describing your picture. If you do not describe, then you might not be able to get a better ranking. All right, so let's, once it is getting uploaded, then this gets activated. All right, now it is uploaded. So let's type in this picture, services pic. Services pic. It's taking some time. Let's wait. Yeah, now you can type in here services pic, which means when somebody is searching in the Google with the image also, they can go ahead and look at what is this tab called, spa or services with jacuzzi tub. So whatever you wanted to give it, you can actually cut this and you can paste it here. So whatever, which should clearly define your picture and what is the intent of it. Now it is here. Yes, this is absolutely good. Now you can paste this, and you can also change the color, size, overlay background if you wanted to. So let's click on this background and you have a different colors altogether. Yeah, so once I'll click on this and click on save option. So this is all some of the things that you can do it. Apart from that, now if you still want to go ahead and add your rows, you still go ahead and add. You can add 1 or 2, 3. Let me show you how to add a testimonial. So let's go back on this part. You can see a testimonial here. Yeah, it can be on a carousel mode, or it can be, I'll just drag in here, or you can just keep dragging it here and keep it here. So once it is done, you can have the image of the person that you have here, and you can edit these liners which has been already predefined. Where is this exact? Yeah, this one you need to go ahead, edit it. You say that it was a wonderful experience at beauty spa, enjoyed thoroughly. So you can put this way and add an image of this gentleman. If you have any image, then add, or click delete, add, or upload files, select files. You can add any of the pictures that you have. So a default picture, if you wanted to add, if you have anything, you can go ahead and put that. It is generally a person name, so person image. So testimonial, beauty, whatever you wanted to write. Once it is done, oh, it is not uploaded yet, so you can insert now. All right, now here you come down and edit his name. Let's say Malapuram Academy or whatever, your name, your personal name, and his designation is a manager or a director, his or her. Okay, so once it is done, click on save option. So now we have edited this. Now once you have done it, if you wanted to add one more block here, you can go ahead and add. You have already saved it. Do not forget to save these options. If you are saving it, then only it will be reflecting in your website. Alright, now if you still wanted to add few more rows, you can add it, but let's go back and try and edit the builder part here. Whatever the layout that we have inserted, from there we will edit few more things. Here if you wanted to click and change the pic, you can change it. There are some of the storylines that you wanted to change it. So edit with the WP page builder. If you want to delete this also, let's see, yeah, click delete, you can delete it. Can you see the layout here? Here it is about us, and there is some text. So with 15 years of expertise that I'm writing here, with 15 years of expertise, we bring in a qualitative. See, it is always better that you have your text ready, or else this will be the problem where you will lose out certain things which you wanted to write. A qualitative beauty products and services on offer. See, okay, so once it is done, click on save. So, save option. If you want to change the button icon, so there are few things that you need to explore. You please keep exploring it. Save. There's a button. So if this, you want to have an icon there with along with the text, you can actually do that by clicking here. You can select the option of the button. See, there are different buttons that you want to choose. You can choose it, and then you can display accordingly. So once you have chosen it, click on the save option. Now the home page is ready for us. Now if you still wanted to come down and check what is that you have done, see, my recommendation is that whenever you do the changes, please ensure that you save it and also keep your text ready. Now if you feel you do not want this to be there, you can delete it, or you can delete the entire row. It's up to you. Alright, so let's go back and try and add the contact form for us. So we save these changes. Let's close this part. Yeah, so now let's go to the dashboard. Go to the pages, all pages, contact us, click on edit with WP page builder. Come down a bit, add row, one row, and move up. You will see the form here, so drag that form, then you will see the details here. Now you have an options that query from where it has come in, recipient email, from email, you change it accordingly. Redirect, from whether you wanted to redirect them to the URL. So URL is nothing but beautyspa.onox.com. You can keep that URL as well if you wanted them to get redirected. And you can also add a button, submit form. So you can see the buttons. If you want to add anything to it, you can actually add. You can change the color of it as well. So once you are done, click on save option. So let's go back and add a few posts to us. So this is how your contact form looks like, and if you wanted to add, you can add it from those particular widgets that are available. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's add the post now. So all post. So let's see whether we have added any post or not. So this is the default post. Add a new post. So let's wait till it gets loaded. So click here and you can have a title for beauty industry. You wanted to write any post on beauty industry of India, so you can do that and click on publish. Now again you have those options here. Disable the title, which with this will not be seen, but it will be available. And also please understand the sidebar option. If you do not want no sidebar, you can also keep that. And if you wanted to have the image, you please have the image. This will also give us a better ranking. And category, please add category for the post that you gonna create. So add new category. I'm gonna write it as beauty industry. So in this category you will be able to write all these industry related post. So you want to add a tag, add tag industry, or you can say that whatever it is, a spa or not, which is related to your post. Also ensure that you have the expert, write an expert optional. Industry in beauty industry is at a peak stage in this country. Beauty industry is growing, or peak stage in India, growing at the rate of 40%. So do a thorough, and so that it will be easy for them. And post attributes, default template. If you wanted to allow the discussion on it, you can also click on it. If you want to allow the comments, please allow the comments. If you wanted ping backs and track backs, you can. If you do not want that, you can click this option. Alright, once it is done, so click on publish, and you can also write this something here. India's the industry is growing at the rate of 45% year on year. So some x blah 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 blah, you can go ahead and write, but please ensure that it is related to the content and it has to be a qualitative content. As it is a testing site, I am not writing it completely. See, people do say that you can create a website in 5-10 minutes. It is not possible to create a proper website. It takes at least a proper understanding and creating your content. If your content is bad, then you will not be able to create a proper website. Qualitative content is the need of the hour. So now you know how to create the post. Now let's see the post here. Now it will take us to the website. So this is how your post will look like. India's beauty industry is growing at the rate of 45%. All right, now you have not mentioned the title here. You do not want the title to be seen. That's the reason you will not be able to see the title here. If you have not clicked that one, then automatically you can go ahead and automatically you would have seen your title, the beauty industry in India. So if you want to change it, you can go ahead and change it. So let's go back and understand what is widgets. So now if you have them, this is a main sidebar. So widgets are available on the sidebar, and these are some of the widgets that are automated widgets that are available for our theme. So accordingly, if you want this video widget, or if you have any video, the services that you render, and you wanted this widget to appear here on the sidebar, you can go ahead and just drag and drop. It has actually come under the footer section. No. So let's move this to here. If you have any video, if you wanted to add on, right? Once you are done it, click on the save button. Yeah. So let's move on to the dashboard once again. Now this is how my website looks like. So the blog is here, contact us, home. Now we have changed this menu. Why it is not changed? Let us go ahead and check the menus part once again. The order of the menu. So one up, one on. So let's go ahead. Display location primary menu. So we have changed that. We have not clicked that. So that's the reason it would have shown save menu. It would have shown. We should have not arranged it as we would have liked. So let's go back and again check the visit site. See, now it is changed. All right, now it is clear. So now how to add a WhatsApp account to your website is something that we will be looking at. So go to the plugins, install plugins, add new plugin, add new plugin. So search for the WhatsApp option. So you have a lot of options. You can choose anything, but we would recommend you to choose the WhatsApp option as an initial at an initial stage. Once I'm just looking out which is the option that we can choose for. It should be WVMe. Hang on for a second. So here it is. Earlier it was WVMe, but now it has gone as join.chat. So we will install this part, which will enable us our website to have a chat in the WhatsApp as well. So click on activate. So once you come in here, you can see this options, right? Join dot chat. So click on settings. So you have to enter your mobile number. So let me enter my mobile number. So this is the uh, description or the title that you wanted to enter, that when somebody comes up to your site or when somebody clicks on the WhatsApp image, then this is the detail that you will be seeing. So or you will be seeing, yeah. So you can use the position and on the left side or on the right side of it. You can select the image. If you wanted to change this WhatsApp image, you can always change the image of your logo. And button delay, so put it as to 1 second. Mobile, if somebody is logging on to the mobile, or this can be shown, this will be shown. And WhatsApp web, click on it. When somebody is logging to a system, then it will be prompted to a WhatsApp web, so that he can. So call to action, when somebody gets on to the WhatsApp chat, this is the default statement that comes from the beauty spa, which is our organization, that how can we help you. Or you can also offer here, hello, book appointment and avail 40% discount on all the services. So this is what, if you wanted to show to the people that who comes onto the WhatsApp chat. Once it is done, whether if you want to enable the WhatsApp dark mode, you can add on. So chat delay, so every 10 seconds, once you get that information from him, it takes at least 10 seconds for the delay, but keep this as 2 or 3 seconds, not more than that. So automated message will be sent across, the offer will be sent across. If he is not chatting, automatic message that this message will be going, book appointment and avail 40% discount on all our services. So click on save changes. Yeah, so let's see the visibility part. So let's go to our site and check once again whether it is updated or not. Let's refresh it. Because we are in the incognito mode, you're not able to see it, but generally it should come up. So let's open this site in what, beauty, beauty beauty spa dot ox.com. Should show, but let's see what has happened. See guys, I have downloaded one more plugin called Click to Chat. The last one, join.chat, has some problems, so which is not been shown. So now I have uploaded a plugin called Click to Chat. How do you search? You have to go add new, and again search for the plugin called WhatsApp. You would find this join.chat, but please do not install this one, because it has some bugs in it which we are not able to do it. So now yeah, I have installed this one. Click to chat. Now I'll activate it. So I'll activate it. So I'll go to settings. So this is the number that I have uploaded here, and pre-filled message, hello, welcome to beauty spa. You wanted to change it, you can change it. And call to action, WhatsApp us or chat with us, or you can also say it as book, chat with us or book now. Call to action, book now. All right, so once that is done, so style for the desktop, keep it as style 2, style 3 for mobiles as 3. And where should it locate? On the bottom side. And where should it be seen? On the right side of the screen. So web WhatsApp is on. If you click it, web WhatsApp will not be shown. So all other features please remain the same, and click on save changes. So let's see whether it has been uploaded in our website or not. So now can you see the number here? Now let's go ahead and visit our site. Open a new tab. See this here, the WhatsApp has come in. So I'll click. If I am a user, if I am clicking on it, then automatically WhatsApp web will open up. Then I can share all the details. So let's not open up, which will open up my WhatsApp details for everyone. So this is how you can chat. Now let's go back, and there is one more plugin that you need to add on, that backing up your site. So let's go to the plugins, add a new, check for a plugin called Upgrad. So with this plugin you can also take the backup to your your site to Google Drive as well. So let's see why it is not coming in. Let's refresh this again. So it is Updraft. So let's go to the Updraft and install now. It's not Upgrade, so it is the Updraft. So search for that plugin and install that plugin and activate it. You see guys, Updraft Plus has got some serious errors, I believe. So we are trying up for the other backup guard. The plugin name is Backup Guard. So click on install. Let's see whether there is whether it is getting installed or not, but always prefer Updraft Plus. So then once Updraft Plus will give you an automation and all, but somehow we need to back up our data, because the time that we spend on the WordPress, it is the most valuable time. If you lose out the time that while uploading it, or if it is not getting filled, see there is some problem with the WordPress site which we need to fix it up, the debugging. So these kind of errors do coming in. If you look at the number of users that have been used for a WordPress for this is very less when you compare it with Updraft Plus. So we will run a separate tutorial for Updraft Plus, how to back up your site. But you can always go back and click on it and activate it, then follow the instructions from there. So this is it for this lesson. Now this has been update has been failed. Let me debug this and check what the best that can be done. So guys, we were clicking on Updraft Plus, which is not compatible, though it is showing it as compatible for us. We have tried for the higher version as well. But now we have got one more Updraft where you can easily back up your files. So click on this Updraft, install this and activate it. So once you activate it, then let's go to the settings. So automatically, if you can read through here, is a plugin designed to back up your WordPress blog. Upload themes, plugins and your database can be backed up to a Rackspace cloud file. So click on view details. You will get the complete information. All right. So this is the latest version that has been installed. So let's go to this let's go to the install plugin, or let's check. Yeah, so we have installed all these like WhatsApp. We have also backed up our site, which can be done with the updraft backup or restore page. If you can come down here, then we have added pages, we have added post, we have seen the dashboard, we have seen the menu, we have seen the widgets, we have seen the themes and how to customize this if you want, and edit with the WP page builder, and we have seen the how to set up this. So there are some of the things that we have done it. Now the last part is that please go ahead and create an assignment for yourself. That is a 3-page assignment that you need to submit the URL. The URL that once you create that URL, your website address, you need to submit it to us at the rate info@Mallapuram academy.online. This is where you need to submit all your assignments. So ensure that you submit the assignments. And what is the assignment that is required? 3-page website of your business. You should have home or about us, okay, services or the products that you offer, and the contact us page. So these are the 3 things that you need to submit. I hope you are clear with the assignments and all. So with this we have ended our second module. Thanks a lot for your time, and see you in the next lesson, which is on the SEO part, SEO optimization, on page optimization, off page optimization. Thanks a lot. See you again in the next lesson.